All right, it's Miss Pariseau here, ready to make you laugh. This time around, if I tell a knock-knock joke, let's get you involved with some response, okay? Here we go. Knock, knock. Wooden shoe. Wouldn't you like to hear some more jokes? I know you would. So here they are. Did you know that towels are actually pretty funny? Yeah. They have a real dry sense of humor. Thanks, Emily, for that one. Oh, I love going out on a boat, but when it's sick, where are you supposed to take it? To the dock. Thanks, Ishan, for that one. I've recently gotten into doing some running. Some races here and there, but did you know why did the orange lose the race? Because he ran out of juice. I often run out of juice when I run too. Wow, a scarecrow winning a Nobel Prize. Who would have thought? Do you know why? Because he was outstanding in his field. Get it? Outstanding in the field. Thanks, Patrick, for that one. Oh, I love these things. If you've got a dad joke for me, feel free to email me at pariseau@fultonschools.org. Until next time, keep laughing. Bye.